In the quiet heart of a biosecurity lab, the day begins with a ritual as precise as the ticking of a clock. Each movement is deliberate, measured, and essential to the safety of the scientists and the world beyond the lab's walls. As you step into this sterile sanctuary, the first task is to don layers of protective gear. The process is meticulous: a carefully fitted mask, snug gloves, and a suit that seals away the wearer from the outside world. Every piece serves as a barrier, a shield against the unseen threats that lie in wait. Once fully equipped, moving through the lab is a slow, deliberate dance. The air inside is filtered and purified, a reminder of the invisible adversaries that these scientists confront daily. Each step must be considered, each touch calculated, as they monitor and maintain containment systems designed to hold potentially dangerous pathogens at bay. The hum of equipment provides a constant background, a gentle reminder of the vigilance required to keep these microscopic foes in check. The work here is painstaking and meticulous, often feeling like an endless cycle of small tasks. Yet each task is vital. Samples are cataloged, experiments meticulously recorded, and equipment carefully calibrated. It is a world where precision reigns supreme, where the smallest oversight could have significant consequences. Despite the monotony, the dedication of the scientists never wavers. They are the keepers of the invisible, guardians against the unseen, and their vigilance is a quiet testament to the importance of their work. In this environment, focus and patience are paramount. The tedium might lull the unprepared, but for those who have made this their calling, it is a necessary rhythm, a cadence that ensures the safety of many. Here, in the quiet hum and the gentle glow of lab lights, the battle against biological threats is fought not with loud proclamations, but with quiet, steadfast determination. The story of biosecurity finds its roots in the work of pioneers like Louis Pasteur, whose tireless dedication laid the groundwork for modern practices. Imagine the world of the 19th century, a time when the very idea that tiny, unseen organisms could cause disease was revolutionary. Pasteur, with his keen mind and unyielding curiosity, saw beyond the visible and ventured into the microscopic realm. His work on germ theory transformed our understanding of disease, turning the tide in the battle against illness. Pasteur's journey was not without its challenges. He faced skepticism and resistance, yet his resolve was unshaken. With meticulous experiments, he demonstrated how microorganisms could be both the cause and the cure of diseases. His development of vaccines for rabies and anthrax was groundbreaking, a testament to his relentless pursuit of knowledge. Pasteur's legacy is one of perseverance, a reminder that the path to understanding is paved with patience and determination. His contributions are the bedrock upon which today's biosecurity measures stand. Just as Pasteur once peered through his microscope with wonder, today's scientists look to the future, seeking to understand and mitigate the risks posed by emerging zoonotic diseases. These diseases, which leap from animals to humans, often appear without warning, underscoring the need for constant vigilance and research. The task of predicting and preventing the next pandemic is formidable, akin to searching for a needle in a haystack. It requires a keen understanding of animal reservoirs, human interactions, and environmental changes. Yet, despite the complexity and the uncertainty, the spirit of exploration and discovery that drove Pasteur continues to inspire those within the walls of biosecurity labs today. The world of emerging zoonotic diseases is one of constant mystery and urgency. Scientists work tirelessly to unravel the complexities of these pathogens, driven by the knowledge that each discovery could be pivotal in preventing future outbreaks. It's a field that demands not only scientific acumen, but also an ability to anticipate the unpredictable. Each new strain or virus is like a puzzle, a piece in the larger picture of global health. These researchers, much like detectives, sift through data, tracking patterns and making connections. The task is daunting, a reminder of the delicate balance between humanity and the natural world. The goal is not only to identify threats, but to understand how and why they emerge, leading to strategies that can mitigate their impact. Yet, despite the challenges, there is a quiet determination that pervades these efforts, a commitment to safeguarding the future. Outside the lab, the implications of this work ripple through society. Public health officials must strike a delicate balance, ensuring public safety without inciting undue alarm. Communication becomes a crucial tool as they translate complex scientific findings into clear, actionable advice for the public. It's a dance of diplomacy and education, where transparency must be weighed against the potential for panic. Despite this seemingly endless grind of lab work, its impact is profound. The silent vigilance within biosecurity labs touches lives far beyond their walls, contributing to a world where new threats are met with preparedness rather than fear. Here, in the quiet dedication of scientists and the careful guidance of public health officials, lies the promise of a safer tomorrow. These unsung heroes working behind the scenes are the guardians of our shared future, protecting us from the invisible dangers that lurk in the shadows. In the broader landscape of biosecurity, the daily efforts of those within the labs are mirrored by the strategic endeavors of public health systems worldwide. This interconnected network operates much like a finely tuned orchestra, each part vital to the harmony of disease prevention and control. The symphony includes not only scientists and researchers, but also policymakers, healthcare workers, and educators, all working in concert to anticipate and respond to biological threats. These efforts are underpinned by a shared goal: to build resilient systems capable of withstanding and adapting to the ever-evolving landscape of pathogens. This requires not only technical expertise, but also an understanding of human behavior and societal dynamics. Programs are developed to educate communities, fostering awareness and encouraging practices that can prevent the spread of disease. Public health campaigns become the frontline defense, empowering individuals with knowledge and tools to protect themselves and others. In this intricate dance, communication is key. Clear, accurate information must flow seamlessly between scientists, officials, and the public. This dialogue is essential, ensuring that trust is maintained and that communities remain informed without being alarmed. The challenge lies in conveying the seriousness of potential threats while reassuring the public of the measures in place to address them. As the world becomes ever more interconnected, the importance of these efforts cannot be overstated. Global travel, climate change, and urbanization all contribute to the dynamic environment in which diseases can spread. Yet, within this complexity lies an opportunity for collaboration and innovation. By harnessing the collective expertise and creativity of scientists, policymakers, and citizens alike, we can foster a world where vigilance and preparedness are the norm, and where the triumphs of science continue to illuminate the path forward. In the quiet pursuit of knowledge and protection, the spirit of resilience and hope shines brightly. As each day unfolds within the walls of the Biosecurity Lab and in the broader fields of public health, the collective efforts of countless dedicated individuals weave a tapestry of safety and understanding. It is a gentle reminder that even amidst uncertainty, the commitment to safeguarding our world endures, nurturing a future where science and humanity walk hand in hand, ever vigilant and always striving for a healthier, safer tomorrow.